Please, Lord, help my friend. Please, Lord, answer my friend's prayer.
Friends, welcome once again to Nick Tech channel. All right, so now the first prompt we are going to give it, we are on croc.com now. So we want to make consistent images, you understand? Consistent webtoon images. So the first prompt I gave it is this: two African ladies on jersey with an imprint, can you come wherever, you understand? So it created this for me. Do you understand? So this is the prompt I gave it. So it created this. So I picked this one. You understand? I pick one and what? And gave it this prompt. You understand? So you have to remain on that page. You have to pick the image and okay, let's do this. Okay, let me show you how I did it. So I picked this one and said, make it a webtoon cartoon. So make it a webtoon cartoon. So it's going to make it a webtoon cartoon now. Do you understand? So for you to keep having consistent images, you have to remain on that page, keep using that image, you understand? And so once you're done, you save it, you understand? So it has given me what I want. So you click on it again, pick anyone, click on it and give it another prompt. Say make it in a discussion mode, make it be in a discussion mode, so just keep using those images, you understand? Just keep using that image so you can be consistent and keep giving it different prompts, you understand? So once you get your prompt, you save it, you download it, you understand? At this upper part here, do you get it now? So have you seen it now? They are both discussing. So you pick another one again, pick any of them. They said just give it different prompts that you want. Make it in an eating mode. Make them eat in a dining room. You understand? So once you are getting your images, keep saving them, because the next thing you are going to do is editing them. One thing, but the reason I don't want to use AI to edit them, make them talk, you understand, or put words in it, is because it doesn't give me my desired word, you understand? It's always doing something else. You get it now? So you can just pick one. So let me pick this one. I'm picking the first one. You understand? Then you want to download it. You understand? So once you're done downloading it, so let's move to the next thing. You're using a Pixel Lab, you understand? In this Pixel Lab, you're going to be editing your work, you understand? So this is how it looks like. So now I want to bring those images that I've downloaded, I want to bring them here. So I'll click on this fourth option, then from gallery. So now let me pick this one. You understand? So this is it. So now I want it to talk. So I will come here and look for shapes. Okay, the third option, shapes. And let me use this one. You understand? At least this one looks exactly like this. So I want to rotate it. So you can rotate it. Just put it, you can make it smaller. Yeah, you want it. You understand? So you just come here and keep inputting your words so that you can have what you want. So just text, please Lord, help my friend. Just give it the words you want. You should have your storyline already. Please, Lord, help my friend. So you can just change the font. Come here to change the fonts. Have you seen it now? Yes, my friend. You can create another image, or you can duplicate the previous one. Click on the shape, copy it, then come here. Want the other one to talk? So you can delete this one. Then you insert text here too. Just like answer my friends. You understand? So you can just come here to edit the text. You can rotate it anywhere you want it. So just explore. You can explore. It's very easy to use. You understand? So have you seen it now? Very easy to use. You can just make it smaller. So you see that. So once you're done with everything, you have to keep, then bring up other images and keep repeating the same thing. It's very easy. Then you come here, save as image. Then you come and save it. See, it's very easy. You understand? Most times AI might not give you what you want. You get it now. So you can come here to edit your work. Have you seen it now? So you can write stories with this, make money with it. You understand? This is one way of writing Webtoon cartoons. You get it now? Very easy. This is very easy. Do you understand? And you can earn with it. Do you get it now? So that is it.
Alright, so the next thing is for us to make our cartoon talk. Do you understand? So come back to Croc, click on upload a file, then you pick your picture. So then to give it any prompt, just click on that arrow, click on the arrow. So we're not giving it any prompts. What we want to do is already, we've done it on Pixel app already. So just want to animate it, make it a video. Do you understand? So just pick anyone, click on anyone, then click on make video. So if you click on make video, then you input your prompt here. Just input your prompt here. Alright, so you use this particular prompt. You understand? So you use this particular prompt. Once you're done, click on that arrow, then to talk. The reason why you can't hear is because I'm using a screen record. That's why you can't hear the voice. So the video you just watched, there's a video, you understand? This is how to do it, you understand? So with this you can even earn, like you can go on YouTube, create a YouTube channel, you understand, and start posting these things. You get it now? People will watch it, people will subscribe. So these are one of the things you which can earn. Open other social media handles and keep posting these things. Whether you want it to talk or don't want it to talk, you can hear from it. You understand? This is 2026. Don't dull yourself. Go and open a YouTube channel. You get it now? With this you can do a lot. You understand? Especially those you that love cartoons, you can actually do a lot. Do you get it now? So if this video has actually helped you, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to. Thanks for watching.